Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you where to find the report for your invoices and payment transactions. First, you have to hover your mouse here on the left side corner where it says reports. Click on that one, and there you go. There's a bunch of reports here that is downloadable. If you scroll down, there's payroll here. There's interactive where you can view it on the web browser or download it on an Excel sheet. Revenue, it's all in here. Again, this is the invoice here. Invoice line item summary. And you can download it. That's how you download your report for invoices and other reports here that you need. And if you scroll all the way down also, you can see there's an estimated future revenue, realized revenue by service plus surcharge, outstanding prepaid and account credits, service audit, late appointments. This is for staff performance and cancellation audits. That's it for this video. Thank you.